Stand back and hang on.
At this moment, rescue workers are laboring to identify the remains of Anatol Zsa Korda.
What?
Dogged for years by accusations of profiteering, tax evasion, price fixing, bribery, he is survived by 10 children, 9 boys, 1 novitiate nun. A controversial figure, some will mourn his death, others inevitably will celebrate.
Is this supposed to be here? It was under the lunch trolley.
How much time does it say?
18 minutes.
Perfectly fine. We land in 10. Myself, I feel very safe.